Silver. This is the weekly scale of silver. The past week saw silver confirming that the price action right from this level up to here actually is an ABC, because it broke through the top of the A, and performance this week is really encouraging the bears, and in my opinion is setting the stage, even if not directly immediately ahead of us. It is setting the stage for a test of this level. We're talking about 15.6, okay, 15.6, and potentially breaking through that. I don't know if it's going to do it straight away, but this is definitely looking like a target that could be met in the next several weeks. The breakdown is undeniably very bearish. The huge bearish forces working on this market at this point, and this is unlikely to reverse on a dime. Yes, it's unlikely to do that in the coming week. Forget it. No, that's not going to happen. What is likely at most is that it could continue down just to complete the series of 5 legs that began from here, and then we might see some nice attempt to rally, basically a corrective phase in my opinion, okay, something like that, and then I would expect another big leg down that will send silver down to the floor. And that's where I stop, because I just don't know, and I'm not interested to push a wave count. I don't know if silver is going to bounce from here and give me something like that, which would be also very bearish, as I explained many times, or it's just going to break through and down we go to much lower lows. Okay, so that's the weekly. I'm afraid not much sunshine here for the lovers of precious metals. This is the daily, that is being confirmed as an ABC by the solid break, the run through this level. And as I told you last week, we saw gold very weak, and I told you that if any of them, also platinum, any of them is going to confirm that this structure is an ABC, it's probably going to be gold. Gold is going to head first, and certainly out of the two, gold and silver, gold certainly broke through this level first and smashed it in such a way that left no doubt, and silver just followed. So what I see here as a structure is a 1 2 1 2 3 4. I think we're going down for ending the 5th, and then we'll have some sideways price action probably at this zone at around 16.8, 17.1, and then final drop to complete the 5 legs. And that would lead to a backing and filling here, yes, A, B, C, etc. But later on a further big drop is on the horizon. Here's the 60 minutes. That's a 1 2 1 2 down 3. Could have ended here or could have ended here. It's not going to make a huge difference. It appears to me that we are almost certainly in a 4th wave. If I go to 5 minutes, you will see the winding price action here. That is a classic 4th wave. Classic 4th wave bouncing off the floor here on the 5 minutes. That's an ABC. That's an ABC. That's an ABC. Yeah, there could be short-term a pop here, but all in all that should be taken as a 4th wave, essentially leading to further falls. Now here's gold. That's the daily. Just look what the gold did here. Absolutely smashed this critical level, absolutely cracked under that, and that is leaving no doubt that we are dealing with an ABC. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, this is a crystal clear case of an ABC, which, as you can imagine, has negative connotations. That is an ABC. That's a 1 2 3 4 5. If I'm right, we are destined to continue lower, possibly towards the support level at 1180, and then bounce for a corrective phase. Here's the 30 minutes with the subdivisions that I think are appropriate at this point. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 right here. Okay, another 1 2, and then 1 2 down 3 4 5. I think that's an A, that's a B, that's a C, D, E. If I'm right, That's bearish. That's bearish for gold. It's going to continue down fairly soon, early next week. Gold climbing back above 12, right here, 12.18, above this level, would be bullish, not terribly bullish, but would be a sign of strength. Okay, may require reassessment of this wave count. Okay, may require reassessment of the wave count, but gold staying anywhere around here is bearish, bearish, bearish. That is the next target is going to break. It's going to break, and once it does that, you have the third wave on this scale complete. And again, sideways price action that would lead to the final fall, and then a more sustainable correction to the entire waterfall collapse that we have witnessed here in gold, right from this level here on the daily. Okay, so I think that this target is definitely feasible, 1180. Okay, and I would find it totally astonishing if gold does that now. I think it's extremely unlikely. Extremely, extremely unlikely. I wouldn't expect that at this point.